Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a macro that was developed by a great friend of mine and mentor, Mr. Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts, and he's got several. I just learned about these the other day. So we have a group of 4-inch circles. I'm going to select all the circles. I'm going to go down to his macro, which is Resize Circles, and hit Start. And as his directions, use 0 for the old diameter, and then put in your new diameter. I'm going to put in 3 inches and set diameter. It's going to take just a second because there's so many of them for it to do. It's actually going through there. And then hit exit. Now all my circles are 3 inches. So thank you, Mr. Brewer. So how to get to that, go to engravingconcepts.com, go to resources, Corel macros, and download these macros. And here's the macro package as of right now. And this is Resize Circle. There's a bunch of them to turn the picture in. I've only tried this one right now, but it's unreal how good it is. So thank you, Mr. Brewer. So what I did is I've got them all lined up. But you need to put these into your GMS folder inside of Corel. But the best way to do it is just to move it over to like a thumb drive where it'll be there by itself. Go to Corel and go right here to your macros. Let's just start. Go to Tools and Macros. Now in 2019, macros are called script. I'm going to open Macro Manager. I'm going to load. And there it is on my thumb drive, and I put open. It automatically put it into my GMS file. So let's do that again. Let's say you only want to resize these. We're going to put 0, and we're going to make these 2 inches. Look at that. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.